Day 2 of the vlog. Day 3 of the beach. Today, we all have to get sun shirts or surf shirts because we all got a little burned yesterday. Just a little burn. Let's see your face.
I'm looking at my stomach. My stomach's
Whoa, you can.
So yeah, I was the most not burnt. So I win.
No.
Yeah.
I only got burned on my butt.
Her back, your back.
No.
My
back can get burned.
You can't see your back.
Yeah. It's a good picture.
Anyway, we're going to Island Water Sports. I hate the gap in my teeth. We're going to Island Water Sports where they have all those like games to play in the water.
The like obstacles in the bay.
Yeah.
You said games.
That's like the same thing.
Not really. Games with like checkers or something.
Where's the picture?
It's on the iPad. Mini.
Liar!
Stop moving.
Why are you wearing the same shirt?
Because it'll make the same mark.
We're off to see the wizard. Just kidding, we're off to see the water park. Whatever it's called. What are you most excited for?
You're not even filming me. Teddy, that's racist.
It's not racist.
Teddy, what are you most excited for?
Launchpad.
Sabrina said that.
Actually, no. I want to go kayaking. That's what
We're
I'm
not
saying.
going kayaking.
We're not. Oh, okay.
You already knew that.
Teddy, honey, there's no food in this club. I'm excited to watch my kids have fun.
Woo! Skirt.
You can smile.
What is it?
Speaker that probably doesn't work.
I'm gonna go ask Mom when you pay for the car.
We're here, and it looks like so much fun. So I forgot to vlog after the water park, or whatever it's called, water sports or whatever, but it was so much fun. Yeah, that's all I have to say about it really. But I'm gonna be the happiest person alive. 20 17 or 18 live, if you're watching this. So I'm gonna go to the beach. So we're just in the pool. And I'm gonna go to the beach. And we're gonna go out to dinner. I don't know if I'm gonna. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm ever gonna post this. Whatever.